I'm Philip John B. Sidro from Eastern Samar State University, Borongan City. I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, and the time I need to render is 500 hours. I am the sub-leader of ERP department. So I do the coding, debugging, and testing the functionalities of the system and finding some improvements that the system needs. And since I'm the sub-leader of ERP department, I'm also guiding the team members. The skills I learned is problem solving, team collaboration, and technical skills. Since dito is di siya katulad nung nasa school na like binibigay sa amin lahat. So need talaga namin mag-solve kung ano yung problema, kung paano sa solusyonan sa binigay na oras. Tas natuto dun kami na i-balance yung time management namin. Na hindi sayangin yung oras. Na kailangan every time na may task ay gagawin talaga. Kasi minsan is ay bawal talaga dito maghabol. So yung most challenging is learning Laravel because bagong environment siya sa amin. Di tinuro sa schools, di tinuro sa amin. Yung binigay is yung basic na kailangan lang malaman. So since bago yung environment, nangapa talaga kami kung paano namin ma-apply na habang natututo kami is na-navigate namin yung system na binigay sa amin. The most memorable part sa akin is yung team collaboration. Since team collaboration siya is di lang ako magde-design. Lahat kami. So, nag-share ng mga knowledge, ng mga experience, ng mga data, tsaka marami kaming natutunan sa kanila. Kasi since di lang kami yung intern nandito sa JPMC. Nakatulong yung OJT sa akin kasi napalabas ako sa comfort zone ko. Since nung nasa school lang ako is yung mismong tinuturo lang yung school yung inaaral ko. Since dito is new environment like Laravel, tapos collaboration, then yung oras na kailangan masunod, yung time management namin, tapos marami pang iba. This experience helped me because natulungan yung sarili ko sa time management. So since ngayon yung mga gawain namin is kailangan on time talaga, dapat hindi natatambak kasi pag natambak is mabe-behind ka sa due date or sa deadline. Then, natuto ako sa team collaborations na di lang pala ikaw yung mismong gagawa, kailangan maraming mag-decide muna bago mabuo yung isang system or bago magkaroon ng communication yung team. Yes, I would recommend it. Pero, para lang sa malalakas yung loob. Kasi dito is may experience mo talaga kung paano gumalaw yung real world. May deadline, may strict deadline, may team collaborations. My message to the company is thanks for having us. Salamat sa mga bagong experience sa new knowledge, and opening my eyes in the real world. Once again, I'm Philip John B. Sidro, sub-leader and developer from ERP Department, Batch 5.